Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new really cute pattern tutorial. I'm going to show you today this really cute pattern in granny style. So it's going to be 3 packs always together, or like packs of 3 always together with double crochets, but with really big holes here. So as you can see here, basically half of crocheting isn't even there. That's how big the holes are. So yeah, this is perfect for spring or summer. So when it gets nice and warm and you just want something cute that's not too warming. And so yeah, we have this here with this really cute colorful wool. I'm going to show you the details in a little bit. But yeah, it goes from orange to the red to the like purple pink, and I think it just looks super cute. How exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. So have lots of fun. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this really cute tutorial with this really cute wool. It's the Rivet and Yarn wool from Action. I think I showed it to you guys in the last haul video, and I think it's super useful for kind of tutorials like this just because of the nice color fade. It's 60% acrylic, 40% polyester, 150 grams and 240 meters. And yeah, I have this beautiful color fade here. It's kind of like a rainbow color, but it doesn't have any yellow. So between orange and green, it's kind of more like brownish. This is meant for size 4.5 crocheting hooks, but I do enjoy crocheting this a little bigger and usually use my size 6. Okay, this one. Okay, and yeah, this is going to be my base here. So we will start with 6 chain stitches. So you can, if you wanted to make it bigger, so you can always add 6 more or 6 less. But in this case, we will start with 12. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and number 12. Then we could also add another 6, so to make it wider, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to make my border here. This is going to be 5, okay? 4, 5. 3 of them are for height, and the other 2 I'm going to go in. Okay, so I am going into this one already, and I will start making my first double crochet, and into the next one, this second double crochet. This is the border, and yeah, you can kind of see it here now. This is the 3 chain stitches here, which is the height of a double crochet. Okay, then we will add 3 chain stitches, and then we will skip the next 3 chain stitches on the bottom. Okay, really simple. And then we will crochet another 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. And with that, we have our first 6 crochets done with. Then we will add 3 chain stitches here again. I will skip 3 on the bottom. And then if I didn't make a mistake counting for now, I should have 3 chain stitches left. And that seems to be true. Okay, I'm trying to not lose my thread here. Okay, 1 more. And then this row is also done. Okay. Take some more wool, and then in the next row we can continue. And here we will start again with 5 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then turn it around. And so now this is kind of what helps us go around here. And we'll get some more stabilization in the next row, but for now it'll just be here on the corner, on the border. And it's kind of like, yeah, an arc. Okay, here around the chain stitches that we have down here, we will add 3 double crochets. Then we add 3 chain stitches, which should be getting us to the next pack. Okay, and here we should add 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and then add 2 chain stitches, to get back towards the outside, and then right on the outside we will add another double crochet. And here we have our length that we used at the very beginning here also. 2 chain stitches and the double crochet with the height of 3. That's what it looks like now. And then we will continue with the next row. So we start here again with 1, 2, 3 chain stitches. And that's our, how to get over to the next pack. And here we will add 2 double crochets. The third one is the chain stitches, just like we did in the first row. Okay, so that's all uneven rows. We always have 1 additional pack of double crochets, okay? In the middle only 1 here, and then here we have, the chain stitches with the double crochet, and yeah, 2 packs and the chain stitches in the middle. Then we go around the central chain stitches, double crochet, and another double crochet. 3 chain stitches. Okay. The thread here is kind of made up of these different threads wrapped around each other. So you have to be making sure that you grab all of them together with your hook. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. And we will continue here with the chain stitches. So you can see here, these chain stitches here 2 rows ago, that's what I just went around. Kind of gets a little more stabilization just because we have other things connected to it, okay? I'm going to make the same one, okay, 5 chain stitches, and that's kind of our arc here. And then we will do our double crochets. 3, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and then we go back over here, 2 and 3, and then here another 2 chain stitches, and at the very end the double crochet. Okay, as you can see here now, we have a nice pattern already emerging. In the uneven rows, in the first and the third, we have the 3 packs, and in the even rows with only 2 packs. I'm going to continue crocheting, and I will give you an update in a little while. Okay, so here's my update for you. And yeah, as you can see, this is developing really, really nicely. We have a nice fade here from the orange to the red to the purple and pink. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. And yeah, just a really nice wide hole pattern here. I think it's great for coming summer or spring, and I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will be here for you guys again next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!